In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot form to website. By the end, you'll have your form live on your site and ready to capture leads. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to your HubSpot account and that you already have a form created. You'll also want access to edit your website's code or the page where you want the form to appear. Start inside HubSpot. On the left pane, click on Marketing, then select Forms. This takes you to your list of forms. Find the form you want to add to your website and click on it. You'll see the form details and the builder view, which is a good moment to quickly confirm your fields, labels, and options look right, and that any required fields are set the way you expect. Next, click Edit Form. This opens the form editor if you're not already there, so you can double-check the layout or make small adjustments. When you're satisfied, go to the top right and click Review and Update. This step helps ensure any recent tweaks are accounted for. After reviewing, click Update to save your changes. Once updated, select Get Embed Code. HubSpot will generate a small snippet, usually a script tag that loads your form. This is what you'll place on your website. Click to copy that embed code to your clipboard. Keep this snippet exactly as HubSpot provides it so the form loads correctly. Now head to your website. Paste the embed code into the page's HTML exactly where you want the form to appear. If you're using a content management system, look for an option like Custom HTML, Code Block, or similar, and paste the snippet there. Place it within the page content area where you want the form to render. Save your changes, and if your site requires it, publish or update the page so the changes go live. Once the page is live, visit it in your browser to confirm the form appears and loads quickly. Try a brief test submission to ensure entries flow back to HubSpot as expected. If you don't see the form immediately, refresh the page, clear your cache, or check if your site's caching or content delivery network needs a quick purge. For styling, your form will typically inherit your site's fonts and colors. If something looks off, adjust styles in your site's CSS or refine settings in HubSpot's form editor. And there you go. You clicked Marketing, opened Forms, edited the form, reviewed and updated it, grabbed the embed code, and pasted it into your website's code. That's all it takes to add a HubSpot form to your site.